Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can deploy a Next.js app on Netlify. So without wasting any more time, let's get into it. So I've already finished building my Next.js app. It's called Nextjs. It is currently sitting in my GitHub account. I've already signed up for Netlify. If you have not, please go ahead and sign up for Netlify. So the next thing I'll do is I'll log into my Netlify account. So I'll navigate to app.netlify.com and then I signed up using GitHub. So I'll click on this GitHub button to log in using GitHub. So once you are logged into your Netlify account, you'll come to this dashboard where you'll see all the sites that you have deployed using Netlify. I have deployed one site, that what you're seeing on the screen. So let's go ahead and deploy Next.js app on Netlify now. So I'll click on add new site and import an existing project. Now at this point you can let's say you have your app on GitHub, you can click on GitHub or you can also click on GitLab or Bitbucket based on wherever your app repo is. So mine is on GitHub, so I'll click on GitHub. And this is the repo that has my Next.js app. So I'll click on that. Now here you'll see the owner of that repo, which is obviously me, and then you have a branch to deploy. Now you might have all your code on main branch, but in my scenario I have all my code on final branch, so that's what I've selected here. Now if you scroll down, as you can see, we have a base directory. You can leave base directory as empty, and build command is basically the command that Netlify will use to build your app. So we'll put npm run build. That's the same command that you use to basically build your Next.js project. And the published directory is, or once Netlify finish building your project, where will all those build files will be in, which folder it will be in. So in Next.js app, all the build files are in .next folder. So that's what we have here. By the way, Netlify will automatically detect if you are trying to deploy a Next.js app. That's why Netlify has pre-populated these fields automatically, which is super helpful. So that is pretty much it. I'll click on deploy site now. As you can see on the screen, currently Netlify is building the project. So it generally takes about 2 to 3 minutes for Netlify to deploy the site. Now as you can see on the screen, the status is published now, which basically means your Next.js app is live now. Now the best thing about Netlify is whenever you deploy a site using Netlify, it gives you a free domain name. So in my scenario, it's this one. It's pretty random, but it still works. So I'll click on the link that Netlify has generated. Now this is my Next.js app. So currently I don't have any notes. So I'll click on add note. I'll click on add now, and this is my first note. If I refresh the window, it'll persist all the notes. I can add another note. As you can see, my second note is here. I can switch between the two and it'll persist all the notes using local storage. Now as you can see how easy it is to deploy a Next.js app using Netlify. And if you want to learn how to build this app, I have a tutorial on that as well. So I'll post a link to that in the description below. Make sure to check that out as well. That is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. If this video brought any value to you, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much and have a great day.